What's up, guys? It's Keegan from the Kentucky Welding Institute. We are down here in Tulsa today at the 798 Union. I'm here with Dustin, and he has recently just broke out as a pipeline welder. Dustin, tell us your whole story. Where did you start out at, and how did you get to where you are today?
Kind of started out on the bottom just as a helper, Started out, worked my way up. I tried to learn everything I could while I was helping. That was one of the biggest things I wanted to do, was learn everything. And then finally it got to the point where I got laid off, and I was like, you know what, it's time to just make the next step in life.
Okay.
I don't want to be a helper forever.
Right.
So now I broke out and made my welding test down here at the hall, and I've been here over a month now, just trying to tune in my skills, learning like the little things, like what to do, what not to do, what you can get away with. Just try to learn.
Gotcha.
Learn. That's the biggest thing I've tried to do is learn.
Gotcha. If there's anybody out there that's wanting to be a 798 pipeliner, what advice would you give them?
Man,
what skills do they need to have, or what kind of determination or mindset? What has helped you?
I wanted to try to be the best I could be every day. Try to learn something new every day. A lot of people don't like working with the older guys and whatnot. I enjoyed working with the older guys because, they're hard and stubborn.
Right.
They're older guys, but you learn a lot more from those guys. And, I always just wanted to try to be better, strive to be better every day. And once I got into the union, the people that wanted you to be around let you be around.
Gotcha. So what are some of the places that you've been to work?
Man, I've been everywhere from Colorado down to Corpus Christi, Texas, all the way up in Pennsylvania. You go all over.
Okay, and your home base is in Ohio, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay, so you've been down here for the last month practicing to be a full rig welder with
Yes,
798. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What's the biggest struggle that you've had with trying to be a 798 pipeliner?
The test.
Really?
Yeah, it's not an easy test. It's not that it's not easy. It's just you got to have the right mindset coming in. I've learned a lot in welding too. It's your mindset.
Yeah.
If you come in with a bad mindset, you're gonna have a bad day. So just try to have a good mindset, and man, right when you think you're ready, practice a little bit more.
Awesome.
Best advice I can give anybody.
Right on. Well, if you're looking to be a 798 pipeliner, take Dustin's advice and work hard towards being that 798 pipeliner, and just have that mindset, because it's all about mindset. You can do it, you just have to have the will and the drive to do so.
All right.
Again, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you want to stay up to date on our notifications, go ahead and click the bell button, because we upload videos every week that are very helpful for welders in the welding industry.